F5 or Horizon slowing you down? Why juggle multiple solutions when Citrix does it all?
Take a major mining company we worked with. They were stuck in a complex F5 renewal.
Price hikes and a new architecture they weren't ready for.
Or a healthcare provider struggling with a fragmented Horizon environment,
while navigating VMware Omnissa uncertainty and the threat of rising costs.
Enter Citrix, one platform for secure access and centralized control. Simple and reliable.
We replaced F5 with NetScaler, which is included in the new Citrix subscription.
Powerful load balancing, robust security with a one-pass architecture, and automation.
And we consolidated the Horizon environments into Citrix, delivering critical applications like Epic to clinical workstations, quickly and reliably.
Now they can easily onboard new healthcare facilities as they grow.
And with Citrix, the platform is always evolving to stay ahead of your business needs.
With additional features like observability with Uber Agent or the Mac VDA client, your Citrix environment is ready for whatever comes next.
All through a single console for on-prem and cloud.
So why choose F5 or Horizon when you can
secure the work,
simplify IT,
scale with ease,
all on one Citrix platform? Boom!